What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on VGX Voyager token, which has pumped up just about 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 10 cents. So we're going to be going through what is next for VGX. Is it likely to pump up higher? Is it going to drop back down in value? And it's again, over the last week it did go through quite a major pump earlier on, as you guys can see, heading to over 12 cents. Took a little bit of a dip and right now slowly starting to pump up again, and over the week it is up 45%. So is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from Voyager token, and is it a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, the crypto is trading in the red zone, and we are indeed in the lower part of the red zone, meaning to get out of the the red zone, it is going to require a major increase in value. But is that possible or not? We'll be going through that later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of VGX, which is here in purple, and it is at 8 cents, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here at just about 10 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning they are not as realistic as they seem. Reason they're looking quite steep is because of the pump that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. Essentially, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down to just below the 9 cents target in value, is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason being is it is slightly overvalued right now and is likely to go for a price correction, hitting more red candles. However, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, heading over the 10 cents target before slowly starting to hit red candles towards later on this afternoon, evening time, and in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping down to around 9 cents. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning this is a little bit more realistic than the previous chart we saw. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting VGX to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading closer to the 12 cents target is where I'm expecting VGX to be trading at over the next 7 to 8 days. So do expect more green days. However, do expect the odd red days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, a step back down in value before it slowly starts to pump up in value again, potentially towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now, again, we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from VGX over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late June, early July, I'm expecting VGX to be getting closer to the 18 to 20 cents target. So more or less double of where it is at the moment. However, depends on how the crypto market performs, as I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid-year, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market in general. But I'll keep you guys updated more or less on a daily basis on what to expect and what to predict on the crypto market, and I will also keep you guys updated on VGX on a regular basis as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far it is looking quite good for VGX over the long term. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we need to hit around 37 cents in value, which I'm not expecting this crypto to hit anytime soon. Reason being is it will require a major increase in value and percentage increase as well, and even if it does, it won't be sustainable. What would essentially end up happening is for it to crash back down in value, which we do not want to see. We want to see a slow and steady increase. So I would give it a good 12 to 18 months for it to get out of the red zone into the green zone. But again, crypto crashes, pumps and drops, these will have a major impact. So that is why it's best to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 220% in the last 24 hours, making it over $42 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the crypto has been pumping quite a bit, not just over the last few hours but earlier this morning or late last night as well. They did pump up in value and then took a little bit of a dip, and right now pumping again. So it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of VGX pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So I've seen a lot of comments saying VGX is likely to hit the dollar mark in 2024, so on and so on. I'm not even expecting it to hit the 40 cents target this year, let alone the dollar mark. But let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting VGX to go in 2024. Personally, the dollar mark is not realistic at all, because that will just require a crazy increase in percentage, which I'm not expecting at the moment. Potentially heading to around 23 to 25 cents in value is where I'm expecting VGX to be heading up to later on this year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.